How you guys doing? Kevin from Markham Fire and Emergency Services. I'm here to talk to you about changing the battery in your smoke alarm. If you haven't heard your smoke alarm in a few months, what you want to do is press the test button right over here. If it's not sounding like anything's happening, you want to take it down, check the battery, pop it out, replace it with a new one, and then test it again. Okay? You want to make sure that you change your battery once a year just to make sure that it's working properly. I'm Kevin from the Markham Fire and Emergency Services. You take care.